and we are going to a famous, world famous island from Mexico. It's called Cozumel. So stay. So today, after watching sunrise, we all have got ready and we are going to a famous, world famous island from Mexico. It's called Cozumel. So stay with us. Cozumel, here we come.
Here's what I saw. Look at that bad boy. Get out of the vlog.
निहाल कुछ कह रहा है, बता दे बेटा क्या कह रहा है। अमृतसर बेटे है, तू भी मेरे ऐसा हो गया है, सोमरेरो सीनियर। टूरिस्ट मोड में हम पहुंच चुके हैं प्लाया del Carmen और यहाँ हमने गाड़ी पार्क कर दी पीछे और मैं आपको थोड़ा मैक्सिको दिखाता हूँ ये कैसा है मैक्सिको। ये है रोहिणी पांडा। या यू स्पीक मैक्सिकन? नो यू डोंट स्पीक मैक्सिकन। ये लोग शी इज अ लैंग्वेज लीडर एंड ये भी मेरा लैंग्वेज लीडर है। बट देखो कलर कितना कलरफुल है ये मैक्सिको। नोटा al extravio de este documente representa. No, in tourist destination everything is about negotiations. So now deep negotiations going on. Yeah, fast ferry Cozumel. Nikita is doing the.
मेरा तो टिकट मूड वाले कर लूंगा। Taco. Carlos, yo soy Mexican.
I'm from the north of Mexico, from the border of Texas.
Very dangerous people.
There?
No, somebody said
From the north?
They shoot.
They shoot you everywhere.
We have now finally done all the booking. We are going to catch the ferry. And this the ferry point, and look at this Mexican church here. Looks beautiful. I like it. Getting the tropical feel for the first time. And imagine in Mexico, you got McDonald's here as well. And look at the pretty street behind us. Looking good. Looking good. Hola guys, come on, let's catch the ferry guys. Come on. Look at this guys. So we have, look at this structure. Quite mesmerizing, isn't it?
Can you take a picture?
क्या हो रहा है? आजा मैक्सिको। तुम मतलब पिछले 4 दिन से ही गा रहे हो इधर कैमरे की तरफ देख के बोलो। आजा मैक्सिको चलिए। अरे यहाँ पे भी सरगाम।
मैक्सिको चलिए, आजा मैक्सिको चलिए।
ओ काकी बलिए।
वो सामने हमारी
ferry. Let's find out where to go from. This is the problem they are dealing with here. Look how many people they are trying to get this plant out of the sea. I think it's a thankless job and quite labor intensive as well. This is the catamaran we are seeing Cozumel, Puerto Morelos.
¿Cuántas personas?
8.
Thank you, brother.
Looks like an air conditioned catamaran. Looks like quite luxurious from outside. I don't know. This is the it's called a taxi and these 4 are with me. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And this is the air conditioned. How are you finding it, young lady? Rohini, how are you finding it? Language leader? She is language leader. And I'll show you where we are sitting. Agni is sitting. Hello, Ginu. क्या हो गया? तुम खड़े क्यों?
मेरे को याद आ गया कि जब मैं वहाँ पे चिल्ला रही थी 2 अमेरिकन इंडियंस अब मेरे आगे थे लड़के। मैं सबको कहती जल्दी करो वो मेरी शक्ल देखकर इतनी जोर से हंसने लगे, शायद उनको अपनी मम्मियों की याद आ गई होगी, उनकी मम्मियाँ भी ऐसी पैनिक करती।
जल्दी करो जल्दी करो,
जल्दी करो,
तुम्हारी
भागो, भागो।
है, तुम्हारी हिंदी समझ गए वो लोग हैं बेटे।
जो अभी हमारे होटल में कितने अमेरिकन है, सारे सबके बच्चे हिंदी बोलते हैं।
अच्छा इंडियन अमेरिकन से,
हाँ,
चलो। Let me tell you, this ferry is speedy. My God, it's like a supersonic rocket, man. And the ferry is from the same group like Ashkray ferry it is. And I must say it's a very good ferry. How was your experience in the ferry?
Oh, it was good.
Good. Let's go. Let's hope weather stays good, huh? It's Cozumel. We have arrived in Cozumel, guys. Mexico, Cozumel. Now we have to find our boat. Cozumel for you. Such a busy place, commercial. So many tours here. Look. So many tourists. Yeah, of course. Sharks Adventure as well. Oh, amazing. Already booked. I'll show you the water as well from here only. And it looks so clear. Amazingly clear. Yeah.
The left.
Left, Nikita.
Da.
Yes.
This is the boat. It's very rudimentary, man. He said there would be. Senora, which one? For us. Which one?
It's for me.
It's coming now.
Habían dos muchachos con camisa blanca.
How much longer? ¿Cuándo?
you go at the back.
एक दो ये धड़ाम
Switch round.
हम बोट बैठ चुके हैं।
तू क्या दिखाना चाहता है? अगर अपनी लाइफ मिस कर जाए।
और अगर हम सीटा वापस पहुंच गए तो ठीक है ना। और ये हमारी बोट है जिसको 45 मिनट्स हमें लगेंगे। What is the name of the first island? We don't even know. So
That was the island.
we're going to another island though. Okay. It looks really good, but with the exception of the seaweed in it, that's the big problem here in the whole Caribbean. Look at how much seaweed is there. Can't even swim with this.
ऐसे बैठेगा?
This is how we'll be going. Boat flying now. Bloody hell. Getting. Said 45 minutes, but took longer than 45 minutes. So an hour at least, isn't it?
Took an hour and a half.
An hour and a half, yeah, 90 minutes. beautiful water, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, he's turning it around.
And Guinea has just gone to see starfish. Water is so lovely here. And I saw a stingray as well.
I saw that.
You saw a stingray as well. This is such a beautiful lake. This is pure Caribbean.
I got.
I loved it. And that's Guinea.
What did you saw?
Guinea is watching stars. What a lifetime achievement, yeah. Wow. Excellent. 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 क्या देख क्या रहे हो तुम?
Starfish.
Oh.
Starfish. इतना बड़ा.
No, he didn't jump.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच भी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच भी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी सनसेट का टाइम हो ठंडी ठंडी रेत हो लेट्स गो टू पार्टी यार मुझसे ना अब वेट हो म्यूजिक चला दो शुरू करो पार्टी हो गई दे बोतल पिला दो मुझको बस फिर यार आई डोंट केयर आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी
So this is how they sell on cart here, and we have finished our boat tour. Park National Park, the Cozumel. That is Cozumel. Quintana Roo जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं. कैसा लगा निकिता? बढ़िया मजा है. कैरेबियन है. अरे भैया हमने बड़े मजे करे आज. जैन साहब बहुत मजे करके आ रहे हैं आज. 1987 Cucina and cocktails, and that tells you that you are in Mexico. Such a colorful place. This is Cozumel Island. ये कोजुमल आइलैंड है. इसका नाम कोजुमल इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि ये जो है लैंड ऑफ बर्ड, स्वॉलो करके जो बर्ड है उसका मैक्सिकन ट्रांसलेशन जो है वो कोजुमल होता था. और यहाँ पे जो है माइंस जब थे, जहाँ पे माइन इंसुलेशन थी, तो उसका भी यहाँ पे जो है काफ़ी जो है यहाँ से उसका जो है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट स्ट्रीट फूड इन कोजुमल. पैनकेक्स विद चॉकलेट. Very historic city this is, Cozumel. And just मैंने बोला Cozumel, land of swallows. That's why the birds are here. Birds are actually everywhere. So this is it from us, from Cozumel, one of the most beautiful islands in Mexico, Cancun. And now we are going back to Playa del Carmen. Hasta la vista, Cozumel, from all of us. Playa del Carmen. It's a lively town it is, isn't it? Such a lively town. One. Come on, Messi. कैसा मज़ा आ रहा है बेटा तेरे को यहाँ पे? Such a colorful, so many colors here. It's fully, so much vibrancy and so much full of energy this is. It's going well, I like this. Very nice, thank you. What's the score? 1-1 still. Come on, Argentina.
हर जगह लगा हुआ है.
Now we're going back to the hotel. So today we have come to this Asian specialty restaurant, and I'll tell you, it looks stunning. It does even look even better than the Mexican and the other one we went, steakhouse. Really, really good. Look at this. So posh, isn't it? I mean, this hotel is worth coming just for food and drinks. The food and drinks here are amazing. Chili as well. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
They won't